Here we are in the 3A trophy. Let's take a look at number 10, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Now this is another one that we've done before in level 2. So as you can imagine, the reason we're doing it again is to implement the chord progression. So let's take a look at this chord progression right here. We have our first chord. This one is our fourth chord that we just recently learned. Then we have our first chord, fourth chord, first chord, and 5/7 chord. First. So 1 1 4 1 4 1 5 1. The point is not to memorize it. I was just going over them. So let's take a look at the right hand. We have stretch that fourth finger to the G, A, G, then third finger on the F, change. So same exact fingering that we did in level 2. So nothing's different with the right hand. Change. And then we have, with the second measure, we have dun, 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 which is just a 5-finger scale down. Then it repeats. And then the bottom measure, we have C, C, G, G, A, G, dun, 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 dun. So the same thing. Repeats the first part again. So it goes part 1, part 2, part 1. And the progression is, as you can see it, okay? Probably be a good idea to go through practice mode, learning the right hand and then the left hand, trying to put it together. Practice mode will make it a lot easier. But for this video, we're just going to skip practice mode. So we have kind of tricky. It's going to take a while to build up that coordination with changing your hands so often and doing the right hand together. It's going to be a little bit hard, but if you just give it some time and practice it with the correct fingering, you'll get it, okay? Let's go over play the whole thing actually, okay?
1, 2, set, go.
Together. Fourth chord. Fourth chord again. First, switch, 5/7. Fourth chord, 5/7. Repeat. Fourth chord, first, 5/7. Part 1 again. Fourth chord. Fourth chord. Change. Okay, yeah. Again, you should probably go through this in practice mode so you can piece it together. This is probably the hardest one so far in level 3A. We're really starting to work on being able to transition from these chords, getting really good at it. Okay, so go ahead and work on this, and good luck.